welcome back to my channel. So it's raining outside, so you might hear smoothing raindrop sound throughout the whole video. But yeah, I have an exciting unboxing to share with you guys, and today it's gonna be about TIJN Life is Art. So I had two pair of really pretty sunnies to share with you guys and one of their really elegant sandals. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So let's get started with the unboxing with the small one, which is their sunnies over here. So over here, TIJN Life is Art, and I love that they say they use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging for the good of our planet, which is really wonderful. And I'm also surprised that the miniature put two sunnies in here in this really cute eco-friendly packaging. So I'll show you guys a close-up of the packaging and how they package it, so you guys can get a clearer idea of what to expect if you were to purchase it. Oh my god, the rain is getting really heavy. So yeah, let's get right into it. So this is the sunnies. That's the box that I was talking about. I love this part where they are eco-friendly. So you open it up, and here are the two sunnies. One here, and it comes with this as well, which is very pretty. When the winds are breathing low and the stars are shining bright. And yeah, I really love their small touches in all this. Then their wipes here as well. Life is art, so pretty. All the little touches. These are the sunnies that I gotten. The first pair looks like this. I gotten this pair with the leopard print yellow vintagey design because I really wanted something different. And that's how the close-up looks like. You can see all the attention to detail. All the little detail at the sides are really pretty. These gold little dots. And the front looks like this, really cute as well. Just a really classic pieces, and that's vintage and lovely. I love it. Open up the next pair of sunnies. I love how they package it in this really pretty package. Minimalist but just right. So this next pair, I gotten it in black color with gold rim. Something more cool and chic, and which I can actually wear on a daily basis. So this is how it looks like. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. So if you open it up, it looks like this. Really pretty. I love that the gear over here is actually gold rim instead of just black color. Really put like the attention to details, which brings out this pair of sunnies. Like the top part here, there's a black and gold contrasting color. Really unique as well. And yeah, it's just very pretty. So this is a side-by-side comparison of the pair of sunnies. Which one do you guys prefer? I really love both, so I can't choose because both look so pretty and elegant. So yeah, show you guys the side. It looks like this, and the front view is really very pretty. So you can wear it like that, which is really fashionable. I really love how it feels on me, and I absolutely love how I can style them very easily sort of outfit. So yeah. Next we have this. So this is how the next one looks like. I really love that this color itself is really outstanding, and I love the chic black color, but it's not completely black. You know how some sunnies can be black all throughout and doesn't really stand out, but this one gives off the more vintagey vibe, which I really love. You can simply wear them like that when you're indoor, and when you're outdoor you can put them on. In front it looks like this. Very simple, very chic, and yeah, the perfect accessories. Let's unbox these really cute and big shoes. So there is also Life is Art, and where they explain that they use minimalist packaging for their packaging, which is really cute. I'll show you guys a close-up of the unboxing so you guys can get a clear idea of what to expect. So yeah. So this is a pair of shoes. They also use minimalist and eco-friendly packaging. That's the walk on towards a path you never trod. And yeah, that's their packaging. And that's the pair of shoes that I picked up from them. Really cute. I really love this white color and it's very comfortable. It feels super soft to touch and it's adjustable straps here as well. Really pretty. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like on my right feet because, okay, let me show you guys. My left feet currently is in a cast right now, so yep. Can't wait to wear them when I can finally get my cast off. And yeah, I'll show you guys the close up of the shoes as well. This is how it looks like. Honestly, this is like the most comfortable pair of sandals or platform that I ever wore. It's really so soft to touch. I'm not sure you guys can see from here. And it's so comfortable. It really like elongate your leg when you wear them and it looks really pretty. I think I might actually wear it out even with my crutches on one side of my feet because it's so comfortable and it feels I'm wearing clouds or something and I love it so much. I'll show you guys. So this is how the pair of shoe looks like. It's adjustable here as well, which is really wonderful, as you can see here. It's adjustable, so it fits all sizes and it's super fluffy and pretty. So the bottom looks like this. I got it in the size 8, very comfy for me, and it gives you a little bit of height as well for those that are looking for platform height that's comfortable on your sole and on your heels. So yeah, it's like the perfect pair of sandals platform. I love it so much. So thank you for watching it till the end. I've linked some of their very pretty pieces down below for you guys to check out. So yeah, let me know which one is your favorite, why and why not. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!